how you can turn off Google Assistant on an Android device. In most Android smartphones, Google Assistant is a crucial feature. It provides a wide range of capabilities, and not only being just a voice search engine, but includes task automation, smart home device control, and even engaging in conversations with a touch of humor. Moreover, if a person isn't a fan of Google Assistant, they have the choice to turn off Google Assistant. Most Android models have pre-installed Google Assistant, but it may not be the default virtual assistant. For example, Samsung phones comes with Bixby as the default assistant, although Google Assistant is also present. By holding the power button, Bixby can be triggered. If needed, a user can disable Bixby on Samsung Galaxy phones. Amazon's assistant, Alexa, can be manually installed as an alternative. Here are the steps to acquire Google Assistant settings on Android. Start by opening the Google app on the phone. In the top right corner, click on the profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then Google Assistant. Google Assistant settings are split into Popular Settings and All Settings. In this menu, users can customize their interaction with Google Assistant, including how it's triggered on their phone. By default, Google Assistant can be triggered through the Hey Google word feature, swiping upward from the bottom corners of the screen, or long pressing the power button. If the user finds the word feature intrusive, they have the option to easily deactivate it. Here are the steps to turn off Google Assistant on Android. Open the Google app on the phone. In the top right corner, click on the profile picture. Now select Settings, then Google Assistant from the drop-down menu. Navigate down to the Settings section. Now select General. Turn it off by clicking on Google Assistant. However, follow the same steps if the user wants to turn Google Assistant back on in the future, but switch on the Google Assistant option in the last step, turning off Google Assistant on an Android phone. Despite Google Assistant's popularity and versatility compared to other virtual assistants like Bixby, Alexa, or Siri, there are valid reasons to turn it off. This may be due to compatibility with a different ecosystem. Concerning privacy, users can also turn off Google Assistant on all their smart devices, including their Android phones, to maximize data privacy.